We try to model our lab pretty much like it would be out in the field, just to keep you on your toes, to make sure that you know different parameters and everything that you're supposed to work within, so that you don't make those mistakes. Once you get out into the field, we try to actually do career prep as well, and we incorporate that into our courses. So we don't want to just put out good welders. We want to actually put out good workers. We always have a general skills education class and a math class that our students pretty much start out in. They give them kind of a prerequisite. Once we get out of those two classes in our first term, we throw them into the introduction of welding. So that's pretty much including the materials that you'll be using, the machines that you will come in contact with, different gases. We familiarize you with the processes of welding, those 3 processes that we use throughout our facility on a day-to-day basis. You actually get a sense of familiarizing yourself with everything that you're going to see out in the field.
One of the major things is being able to have hands-on learning when it comes to learning a trade. You know what I mean? You can't just read books and then go out into the field after reading books for a year and just do it. So when I went to the lab and I seen everything that they had, you know, even the virtual machines over here, it was just like, okay, this is gonna be good.
Knowing some of those students and the personal walks of life that they've taken and everything that's going on with that student up until the point where you actually hand them that certificate and tell them congratulations, and they are now considered to be a professional at whatever it is they decide to study in school, it's a proud moment, definitely. It's a proud moment.